Hello again, this is the overview video for day one. So this is our home Schoology page. I know this looks a little bit different than what it does on your iPad, but hopefully this will be able to get you guys in the right direction. You can see here's the welcome back video, and here's the online distance learning. Put it right at the top for your convenience. So if we click into the online distance learning, you will see that Unit 8 is where we are starting off. I know before the schools closed, we were finishing up Unit 7. We were supposed to have the test on our day back, but that isn't going to happen. I know you're all disappointed. So we're going to move right along to Unit 8. So I tried to make this as easy as possible. You'll see Unit 8 is going to go from 4/7 to 4/21. So as long as you know what the date is, then you'll be able to follow along a little bit easier. So if we click into Unit 8, you will see this right here, which is our Unit 8 playlist. So this should look a little bit familiar to you. We're going to do a playlist for each unit, just like we did with Unit 7. It's just going to be simplified a little bit more. And so if you click into that playlist, it's a document that is going to walk you through everything you need to do for each day. Like I said, I'm going to do an overview video for each day, but this will put it in writing for you if you need to go and check back. So day 1 is going to be 4/7. So if we click into day 1, you will see everything that you need to do for that day. And so I have them numbered. So this is the first activity, here's the second, and here's the third. So the first is a video that I need you to watch, and while you are watching that video, I want you to take notes. And so this document right here, it is a PDF document, and I think most of you know what that is. It's not a Word document, so you can't edit it. I tried to convert it, but I wasn't able to. So my suggestion to you is a couple of things. If you have access to a printer, go ahead and print it off so you can write on it. With your iPad, you could actually take a screenshot of it and you can actually mark it up and you can write on it and take notes that way. Or you could take a separate piece of paper and write down the notes that you want to. I'm not collecting this. This is notes for you. It's going to help you out for things that we do in the next coming activities here. The second thing is a reading. It's just a website. It's a link to a website that is going to give you some information, maybe above and beyond what this video did. It's just to kind of fill in some gaps and just to give you a little bit more. To ultimately do this activity right here, which is just one of those check for understandings assignments that I usually have given you before. With these, I have set it so you will have a couple attempts for it. And I did that because you guys are almost teaching yourselves this stuff. The first time you watch the video, you may not get everything, so you might need to go back and watch it again, or maybe go back to the reading. So the reason I gave you those couple attempts is so that you can go back and you can kind of learn and you can pick up what you may have missed the first time, and that's completely okay. All right, so this is day 1, and please, again, if you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.